प्रियोळा अपक्ष गोविंद गावडेक पयलीं आपान तेंको दिल्लो. आप प्रियोळाक कॅन्डिडेट घालपाचें नाशिल्लें. मात गोविंदान आतां बीजेपी सपोर्ट घेतिल्ल्यान आप थंय दत्तारामाक कॅन्डिडेट घालता.
आमकां खूब वायट दिसलें की गोविंद गावडे प्रियोल मतदारसंघान आमी ताका तेंको दिल्लो आनी ह्या आशेन की गोविंद गावडे ढवळीकाराचो वाग जो आसा पळय तो ताका हारयतलो म्हणून. पूण बुद्ध वापरून बीजेपीच्या वागान गोविंदाक खावपाची प्रयत्न केली. गोविंद गावडे वॉज एन इंडिपेंडंट कॅन्डिडेट आनी जर समज ताका सगळे पक्षाचे तेंको जाय आशिल्लो जाल्यार तें बरें आशिल्लें. पूण बीजेपीच्या माचयेर वचून अशें दाखोवन की तो बीजेपीचो आमदार कसो हें आमकां परवडना आनी ताजे खातीर आम आदमी पार्टीन आपलो तेंको गोविंद गावडेक फाटीं घेतलो. आम आदमी पार्टी ही घोशणा करपाक सोदता की आमी डॉक्टर दत्ताराम देसायक आमचो जो पार्लमेंटरी नॉर्थ गोवा पार्लमेंटरी कॅन्डिडेट आशिल्लो 2014 very graciously he has accepted the nomination of the Aam Aadmi Party for the Priol मतदारसंघ. So Dr Dattaram Desai आमचो कॅन्डिडेट आसतलो.
विजय सरदेसायचो खंय काँग्रेस बीजेपी बरोबर कॉम्प्रोमाइज.
What Vijai Sardesai has to answer is how many of his, frankly speaking, he requires to be investigated, but how many of his and his members have been investigated by the BJP, and how many members of our AAP in Delhi have been constantly hauled up and thrown into jail on frivolous charges, harassed on a daily basis, consistently hounded by the CBI, IB and all other kinds of agencies, by the central government. And if there is one person who's fighting the BJP and the Narendra Modi government in Delhi is Arvind Kejriwal, and the one person who sort of pretended to fight the BJP here is Mr. Vijay Sardesai, who by the way also said that poked sufficient amount of fun of the Congress High Command, and it is very amusing to see how the Congress High Command is playing around with him and making him run round in circles.
मंगळारा मांद्र्या सावन आपाची झाडू यात्रा सुरू जाता.
We are having the Jadu Yatra, which is starting from Mandre and going down to Kankan and then traveling from east to west. Elvis Gomes will be traveling right down from Mandre with the respective candidates and with the volunteers and with the whole team and try to connect with the people of Goa.
Prudent खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आनी शिरीष कुंकळेकर.